The TanTech NeedleTEC system is a Corona-based or plasma-based technology that allows the treatment of the inner hub prior to cannula adhesion. Some of the unique features to the TanTech NeedleTEC system is the ability to go ahead and treat the inner hub of the needle hub at high speeds, also being able to remove primers, which are consumables and in some cases very caustic. Corona and plasma is considered an environmentally friendly solution to this problem. We can perform the treatment in 3 different ways. The first is with our standard high-frequency Corona, which utilizes a metal electrode positioned over the top of the needle hub as it passes through on a plastic mandrel. The second system uses a capacitive electrode, which allows discharging directly to metal, and the part can be positioned on a metal mandrel, allowing for a more secure process. The third process we use is atmospheric plasma. With a 2-nozzle system, we can run parts at up to 1,800 parts per minute. The NeedleTEC can be designed for both inline and continuous operation. Having 3 different technologies to treat needle hubs, this system is extremely customizable to fit your production needs. The Corona systems can have an option to provide a surveillance system which provides 100% confidence that the parts have been treated properly. The surveillance system monitors current flow through the discharge to ensure that you're within range and making good parts.